Hi guys, today we're going to do the Sportster Chopper. You're going to install the battery on it. There's actually 3 little pins in the back. You actually push them through the back. On the back side, you stick your fingers through the back and you'll feel the little pin, just push it through. The other ones will pop out, and then the third one's on the bottom and it'll pop right out. See, there's your 3 little pins. Then that actually shows your battery cover. So here's your little bag of screws and bolts. Let's go ahead and plop your battery on up there. Got to make sure all the wires are out of the way and push back. Here's your battery strap. It actually goes on the back side there. There's another little clip on this front. Come around to the front. Connect it on there. Now you go ahead and connect these. Here's your positive on this side. Here's your negative on this side. Your bag of screws, put them on there. You're gonna put your cover on. The best way to do it is to start with the bottom one. Pop the bottom one in and then put it up onto the top. Make sure everything's lined up and none of the wires are in the way that are blocking this. And then you just pop it right back on. Have a nice day.